Hi, and thanks for joining me today as we look at yet another Close to My Heart workshop kit. This is the Celebrate Today Scrapbooking Workshop, and I am going to take you through the process step by step so you can see how beautifully these workshop layouts come together. So as always with the scrapbooking workshop from Close to My Heart, you start with a guide and it gives you all the steps and all the details you need to assemble these layouts. You can see the cutting diagrams there, and we have simplified that process so you just cut a few sheets of paper, straight cuts. It's really easy and straightforward, and then you get to spend all of your time in the creative process. So I'm going to show you what comes in this kit. The awesome thing about the scrapbooking workshop kits is that there are exclusive items that you can only get when you purchase the workshop. You can see there I've got photo placeholders, a piece of vellum, again, exclusive to this kit. It doesn't come when you just buy the paper pack. But here is the paper pack itself. You can see how beautiful this collection is. You've got sparkles and sprinkles and paint swashes, beautiful plaid, a floral that is just eye-catching, and a fun paint splatter background that's a neutral but still has some detail to it. We've also included the cardstock you need, 2 blacks and 1 raspberry. You've also got the sheet protectors. Again, all of this comes when you purchase the scrapbooking workshop kit. Then come the die cuts. Oh my goodness, this project has so many amazing exclusive die cuts. You can see here we've got frames, we've got scallops, we've got all kinds of borders and banners. This one is going to be really fun as I show you when we assemble that page how cool that is. It's a lot of 3-dimensional pieces. You've got page swashes, buildable balloons, lots of stars and titles, borders, everything you need to make these layouts come together beautifully. Then you've got exclusive acrylic shapes. Again, these only are available when you purchase the workshop, so they're all made exclusively to go on the layouts that we've created here. So I hope you'll join me as I start to assemble each of these projects.